Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I have my summer nighttime routine for you. This is a very realistic nighttime routine. I filmed this when I got back. I headed up to my room, switched on my lights, and got ready for my night. I love turning on these lights right away because I feel like they're really relaxing. They really set the tone for nighttime, and I'm just ready to start getting unready and things like that. So right now it is around 8 p.m. I just got back to my house. The first thing I like to do is take off my shoes, put everything away, hang up my purse, things like that. Granted, I don't do this every single night. I know you guys have that chair in your room where you just throw stuff on. I have that too. Sometimes my purse ends up there, but I'm trying to be better and put stuff away when I get home just so mess doesn't accumulate. It is now time for me to take my shower. I always shower at night. I always have ever since I was a little girl. I just prefer it. I love getting into bed feeling fresh and clean. And these are the products that I use in the shower. I've been loving this Garnier Whole Blends Maple Remedy. I use both the shampoo and the conditioner. It's very hydrating. I love how it smells. It smells like maple, but it's not overly sweet. Definitely a favorite of mine. And also when I feel like my hair needs a boost, I like the Garnier 1-minute hair mask in papaya. And then of course, you guys know you've seen these products hundreds of times here on my channel. My Clean and Clear Night Relaxing Face Wash as well as my Biore Pore Unclogging Scrub are my two favorites to wash my face as well as remove my makeup. And as far as body wash goes, I just use a Dove bar of soap. I didn't show it here, but it's just a plain Dove bar. And now I'm going to jump into the shower. I do typically take very quick showers. It's just something I've always done. I did wash my hair this night. I do tend to wash my hair every night, every other night, depending on how it looks. And now we're gonna go ahead and go back into my room. For some reason, after I shower, I always get this really big rush of energy. I always do my best cleaning and straightening up, sometimes just in my towel straight out of the shower, but I don't know, it's just when I do my best cleaning, so I take advantage of the energy and straighten everything up in my room, put clothes away and things like that. Once my room is all clean and straightened up, it is time to work on skincare. So I'll come over to my vanity and pick out the skincare products that I want to use. A lot of these products you guys again have seen on my channel a bunch. They are just my tried and true favorites. So this day I'm actually going to be starting off with lip balm because my lips have been so dry. This is the Nivea Milk and Honey Lip Care, and this has been really great on my lips, so I'm just starting off by applying that. Next up, as always, I'm going to use my Thayer's Witch Hazel Alcohol-Free Toner in Rose Petal, just applying that on a cotton round and cleansing and toning the skin with this. Even though I did cleanse my face twice in the shower, this is really going to ensure that any makeup residue or leftover makeup that I may have missed in the shower comes off my face and my face is left nice and clean. Following up the Witch Hazel with the Mario Badescu Facial Spray with Aloe Herbs and Rose Water. I love this. Like I said, same skincare that I've been using for a while, and I just like to spray this on to add an extra level of hydration and refreshment to my skin. Now it is time to moisturize, and this has been my favorite combination. This is the e.l.f. Nourishing Oil and the CeraVe Moisturizing Cream. This combination is so hydrating and makes the skin so beautiful and plump. So I just take about a pump or two of the CeraVe and add a decent amount of drops of the oil mixed in, rub that all together, and then I just start working that into my face as well as down my neck. I've just never found a combo of moisturizer that I've liked so much. I feel like it leaves my skin looking healthy even after I wash my face in the morning. That glow still tends to shine through my skin. So really, really great combination. I highly recommend it. And lastly, for my nighttime skincare, just as one last spray of hydration, this is the e.l.f. Soothing Aloe Mist. This is definitely soothing on the skin, and I really like this for the smell. It's really relaxing and calming before bed. Taking care of my hair at night is so important to me just because I let it air dry, and if I don't brush it out and do these steps to it, it will be a tangled hot mess when I wake up. So I first start off by parting my hair right down the middle. It doesn't have to be perfect, just a quick part will do. And then again, I'm using another Garnier product. I love their hair products. This is the Pure Clean Detangle and Air Dry with Aloe Extract. I like to spray this in my hair just to make the brushing process easy, and this also does have a moisturizing moisturizing factor in it, so it will kind of help my hair look shiny and just overall brush out easier. And this is a wet brush. If you guys were wondering, wet brushes totally changed the game for me. I will have this one linked down below for you guys. And by the way, I was saying that the Garnier spray smells so good. And just to show you guys a quick before and after of how my hair looks before it's brushed out and after, as you guys can see, it just looks a lot sleeker, a lot more straight and put together. And of course, just repeating those same exact steps on the other side. Once my hair is all brushed through, I will just go ahead and pop it back in a low pony. I don't sleep with the ponytail in my hair just while I'm still up and on my computer and stuff. I like to have my hair out of my face. Taking out my contacts at night has to be the thing I look forward to the most throughout the day. I love wearing my contacts, but sometimes they're not the most comfortable, and putting on my glasses helps me wind down and just helps me be more comfortable overall. And then I also go ahead and pop in my retainer just so my teeth don't shift, and I've always slept with my retainer in every single night since I took off my braces. So now that all of these self-care is done, it is time for me to wind down. I will switch on the lamp above my bed, get my pillows in a comfy position, and then just chill, relax. On this particular night, I was doing some Snapchatting. I always like to Snapchat when I'm filming a new video. I currently only have a private Snapchat for friends and family, but if you guys want to send me pictures on Instagram or my DMs or anything, you totally can. So I do some Snapchatting. A lot of nights I will do some editing. So on this particular night, I was editing the video you guys are watching right now. If you guys want to see a more in-depth video on how I edit my videos, definitely let me know, and that is something I could do for you guys. I know a lot of you guys tell me you like my editing style and things like that, and I would be more than happy to share that with you. So I'm doing some editing. I'm also replying to some YouTube comments. I am so behind on YouTube comments recently, so I took some time this night and just replied to all of the comments that I missed out on. It's really important to me that I reply to you guys, and thank you guys for all of your love and support on my videos, so definitely needed the time to do that on this particular night. At night, I always take the time to watch YouTube videos as well. I have so many videos in my subscription box to catch up on, but I love Nikki Tutorials, Juicy Jazz, Amy Macedo, Alexandria Garza, just some of the YouTubers that I like to watch at the end of the night. But I will take a break and go grab a snack. One of my favorite snacks recently has been mandarins or clementines. These are my favorite fruit. I could eat like 3 of them at a time. They are so delicious. I also like to pour myself a tall glass of water. I have been trying to drink more water recently, and I found that freezing lemons and using them as like little lemon ice cubes has helped me drink more water recently, so definitely a great tip there. Once I head back upstairs, my dog is typically waiting for me because he hears me getting food when I come up from the kitchen, but I'll spend some time with him petting him. He likes to lick me, and just hang out with him a little bit before bed. Another thing I'll do at night is charge my battery for a few hours for my camera. I don't leave this overnight, but just for like an hour or two so it's ready for the next day. I will also set an alarm on my Echo Dot for the next morning, and then I will start switching off my lights to wind down and get ready for bed. And the last thing I do before I go to sleep is scroll Instagram, watch YouTube videos. I know it's not the greatest, and I probably should like read a book or something, but I just like to catch up on social media, watch videos, and things like that. But that is going to complete my nighttime routine. I typically go to sleep between like 10:30 and midnight, I would say. That's like a typical bedtime for me. But I really hope that you guys enjoyed seeing this video. If you did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. Also, make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel before you leave. I would love to have you guys here as part of my little YouTube fam. If you don't want to miss out on any of my future videos, click that notification bell down below and you will get notified every single time that I upload a new video. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and of course, I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys!